Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the target machine and your access. Enable remote desktop in system settings and allow it through the firewall. This opens the RDP service on port 3389. Create or confirm a user account with a strong password so you can authenticate. Next, find the target PC's IP address or hostname, write it down. Once done, open the remote desktop client on your computer and enter that address to start the connection process. Now you move into configuration to control how the session behaves. Enter the username and password and make sure network-level authentication is enabled for stronger security before the remote desktop initializes. Then tweak display and local resources to map drives, allow clipboard sharing, and set resolution or color depth to match bandwidth. If you need access across networks, specify an RD gateway or connect via VPN. Finally, save these settings to an RDP file so you don't repeat the same steps later. Complete the process by clicking Connect and approving any certificate or certificate warning only if you trust the host. This is why verifying the IP and account matters. Once inside, use the session as needed. Transfer files via mapped drives or clipboard, run apps, and when done log off cleanly to free system resources. If things go wrong, the most common fixes are verifying firewall rules and port 3389, confirming network-level authentication and user permissions, and ensuring the remote PC's remote desktop service and VPN or gateway are active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.